Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. It doesn't really get any easier than this one. I like drawing easy things to get people started. And if you want to take a screenshot of that right there, that's all you need. Really simple if you just pay attention. Draw an ellipse and make it an even number like 12. I've got my ratio locked. Take another ellipse and make it 6. Hit P. Select them both and hit L. Select the circle or the smaller one. Control D, alternate C, 90 degrees, and then just take away one line. Now, normally I group things together and move them out of the way, but a lot of times if you set your nudge factor on high enough and you take your smart fill tool and fill that in and just nudge it over twice and then delete that and then nudge this back over twice. I'm going to go ahead and change it to that purple. I thought it looked pretty good. And this will be a really good one to clone because you can actually tell some difference and change. So what we're going to do, we're going to clone this guy. I'm going to go to edit and clone. And I'm going to move it out of the way twice. This is our clone curve. This is our control curve. So that's the one we need to get out of the way. Then put this one back. Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees. And look at that. Now, let's put a black background on it. And you can free willy move that around without affecting anything. But let's put a black box around this design. And you'll be able to see how you can really, with the clone tool, you can really change it. I'm going to go to order back a page. So now click on our control curve and get the interactive fill tool back. And whatever change you change here changes it in there. And you could do a lot or a little, and you could change this handle and make it completely different. Change it this way and put a little, make it like, I always call this going into the abyss. And you could do a lot, anything with it. You could get the interactive fill tool back. You could add a white. Let's just see what it does. Let's add some purple on both sides of the white so it won't be so pronounced. And look how that's coming out. Look at that. And then change the degree of it. Look at that. It amazes me sometimes when I draw something like that, how you can make it look so different. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.